Hello, it's Sheila back again with another tutorial. This is just for a stitch. This pattern here I did have on one of my cardigans on my other knitting channel, Sheila's Knitting Tips and other stuff. Someone asked about this pattern on the cardigan that I was wearing, and when I thought about it and I looked through my playlist, I haven't done a tutorial for this pattern on my other channel either. So I'm going to do the tutorial on this pattern to show how this pattern is done. And it's my own pattern. It's the one I made up myself. I just started knitting and made it up as I went along. So you will not find this anywhere else on the internet unless anybody's copied it. But as I haven't done a tutorial before, I don't think anybody will have copied it. So this tutorial is, I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I've put 20 stitches on here for to do the tutorial, and it's a reversible pattern. As you can see, pattern on that side. We have 3 with the garter stitch across here. When you turn it over on the other side, there's only 2 with the garter stitch, but it is reversible because these are the same as the other side as well. And it's a 4-row pattern, and it's in multiples of 4. So 4 knit, 4 purl, 4 knit, 4 purl, 4 knit. So I'm going to do the first row is knit 4, and then purl 4. And then knit 4. Then purl 4. And then knit 4. And so that was started with knit, purl, and knit. And on the next row, we're going to purl 4, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, and purl 4. I'm not used to knitting with these are little short needles. I'm not used to knitting with them, but they're better for tutorials because I don't need large needles for them. And 2, 3, 4 knit stitches, 4 purl, 4 knit, 4 purl, 'That's the first 2 rows. And the third row is exactly the same as the first row. It's another knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, purl 4, and knit 4. and the last 4 knit stitches. And the 4th row is the one row that's different, where you have purl, knit, and purl. We are going to knit, knit over the purl, purl over the knit, and so on across the row. So this is knit 4, purl 4, knit 4 again, purl 4, and knit 4. And that 4th row is what gives you the garter stitch here. That makes it the same on the other side as well. And it's a very simple and easy pattern. There's not much to think about when you're knitting it. So when you start the next rows again, you're doing the repeat of 4 rows again. So you start where you have purl here, you just start with knit again, like you did at the start. That's the first row of the pattern again. And there, as you can see, it's taking shape now. So that is just a little tutorial for that pattern. Very simple and easy to do, not a lot to think about. So if you would like to see more of the next tutorial I do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will show you anything else I have to do. So bye for now.